Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 85 Blazer. Good running, driving Blazer. Goes down the road nice. Kind of a unique paint job on it with a kind of magenta bedliner on it. So something that you'll know is yours in the parking lot. There you can see we're cruising 60 miles an hour down the road. It's got an aftermarket oil gauge down there, so that rattling you hear is the soft top that goes with it. So it has a hard top and a soft top. So like I said, there's this, it's pretty good suspension test bump we have on this road, and no big rattles or clangs, and like I said, not any big major pulls in the steering. Steering wheel's pretty straight. See fuel gauge at half tank. So a pretty nice Blazer for the money. And like I said, if you're into a little bit of uniqueness, definitely has a color that sticks out. So. Not much wind noise in the cab either, which on these old Blazers you get some of that. This one's pretty tight. So we'll go up the corner here, I'll show you the brakes, and then we'll turn around and I'll go through this shift. Brakes look good, power steering, power brakes. First to second. Second to third. Cruising right along at 60. Any questions? 605-695-7391.